Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best repayment term offered by Lendio partners. From my experience, try and find a single best repayment term with Lendio is impossible because they are a loan marketplace. They partner with 75 plus different lenders who offer a wide variety of loan products. The best term is really the one that is best for your specific business need. When I've used Lendio, I've seen terms range from as short as a few months up to 25 years. Here's a quick breakdown of what to expect for different products they facilitate. Short-term loans. If you need a quick cash infusion, these terms are typically 6 to 18 months. They often have daily or weekly payments, which can be high, but you pay off the debt fast. Business term loans. These are your standard loans. For most businesses, I've seen terms from 1 to 5 years, but you can find offers extending up to 10 or 12 years. These usually have predictable monthly payments. SBA loans, Small Business Administration, if you qualify for these. They offer the absolute longest and most favorable terms. For real estate, you're looking at 25 years. For equipment or working capital, it's often 10 years. These long terms mean the lowest monthly payments, which is great for cash flow. Lines of credit. The repayment period for the amount you borrow is typically shorter, often between 6 and 24 months. But since it's revolving, you can reuse the funds once you pay them down. Equipment financing. The loan term here often matches the expected life of the equipment, usually ranging from 1 to 10 years. My personal takeaway is that the true best term is the longest term you can get for a traditional loan, like an SBA or a longer-term loan, because it gives you the most flexibility with your monthly budget. However, if your need is small and urgent, a short-term loan that you can quickly pay off might be better to minimize total interest paid. You have to compare the monthly payment against your projected revenue cycle. Don't just look at the low interest rate. Look at the total cost of repayment and the required payment frequency. Ultimately, Lendio's platform shows you multiple offers side by side, which is the actual benefit. It lets you define what best means for your company's financial health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.